Hi there. Over the course of the next several videos, I'm going to be walking you through how to make changes to your website. To do that, I'm going to work with 3 different sites. You'll notice this site looks one way, this site looks a different way, and this one has a third and different design. What's most important isn't that they all have different designs. What's most important is that manipulating content for any of these sites is all the same because they all use the same underlying infrastructure, a product that we can manipulate through a content management system that's called WordPress. And so what I'm going to be doing is walking you through how to effectively use WordPress to manipulate the content on your site. So let's start with the simplest thing, which is when you're looking at a page and you realize there's content you want to change, like if you go to support here and you see that this number is wrong, how do you do that? Well, presuming you have a login, you're going to log into a content management system, and I'll send you the URL for that. And when you do that, you're going to be able to go in and see all the different ways to manipulate and things you can do. We're going to go into Pages, and we're going to click on Edit. You do this on all the different things you have here and all the different sites. And so in Edit, we're going to click on Support. That's the name of the page we just looked at, and it had a phone number that was wrong. And you'll notice that when you want to change content, changing it is pretty much the same as changing it as if you were using Word. You'll have a little structure of formats and underlining and color changes. And here what we're going to do is just change these 2 things to an 8 and an 8. And then we come over to Update Page. And we're going to click on the Update Page. When we do that, it will tell us that the page has been updated. And if I go take a look over here and hit Support again, you're going to notice that that's been changed. So changing content is really, really simple. If we come over here and we take a look at our property, this is a page that doesn't have content on it, right? Now, how would you go about adding content? Well, because that page already exists, we would go into the infrastructure, click on Edit under Pages, and we would look for that page. Now, in this case, it's called Our Property. So we're going to come take a look for a page that says Our Property, and here it is. And we're going to click on it, and what you'll see is the text that was here, right? That big bold text and the stuff underneath it, that's the same stuff that's right here. And so when we come over here and say, oh, I'd like to add some text, we can hit Enter and we can type. And when you're done typing, Update Page, it'll tell us that it's updated. We'll come over here, click it, and see that it has been changed. Okay? So, very short video to simply say, if you have content in a page and you want to change it, how do you do it? It's really easy, right? Now, you may be looking at something and saying, I would love to make a change, but I would love to make a change in another area that doesn't have a page. So for example, this Finding Us, this is not a page, right? And so if we come in and take a look here and we go to Pages and we hit Edit like we've done each time, you'll notice that there are no pages here called Find Us, right? And that's what this is here, Finding Us. And you'll see there's nothing here. Well, in the next video, we're going to look at something called widgets. And widgets, you'll see, allow us to put content on the side, like Finding Us, and how we can manipulate that. That's for the next video. Thanks.